Getting to the farm. Randy's disking across the way. He's going to come over and disc in this manure. Oh, okay, so Jeff just started unloading the oats from last night. We did get a bit of rain, so no combining today. There's that battery Jeff was looking for yesterday. Gonna take a look at this yellow combine and see how far Randy got yesterday. He said he got a bearing on maybe before he had to come and combine. So that shiny new plate is what our buddy Bruce made us. We just drilled some holes and put some bolts in, better than it was before. Okay, it actually looks like I might be able to put this bad boy back through from the inside out. Randy's got it back together, it appears. I'll have to give him a call, make sure he's got everything tightened up. I'm sure he does. Sweet! We just have to slide this back through from the inside, and we can put the bearing on the outside, put it back together. Nice, Randy. Randy just moved across here. He's going to disc in this manure mix. Pungent, to say the least. Stings the nostrils. Yummy! Oh, lots of room. Oats are unloaded. Some guy holding up traffic here. Randy's got the poo all disked in. And I just loading the cart. Now that should do it. Another load of wheat going out the door. Randy and I just freed up that beast from the drill. Jeff's getting another load of wheat. And Randy wants to hook that guy onto the chisel plow. He's going to see how many flat tires it's got. Make sure it's good to go, and then he wants to, well, him and Jeff want to rip up a couple pieces. Oh, that's dirty through that glass. Taking the cart back out to the field. Gonna bring the Volvo home. It's full of oats. Want to make it home before sunset. Basically made it at sunset. Get this baby home. There you go. Bit of a tight spot. Trying to patch that hole. It'll cover some up.
Yeah, we basically made the hole the exact same size as the existing hole, so it didn't really help us. But it's like perfectly the size of it.
Oh, great.
But all we gotta do is lift it up, right?
Yeah, and the bottom piece should kind of cover.
Yeah, use the curb.
JB Weld, magical.
Perfect. I wish I had a little more under that corner. Oops.
She'll stick.
I think so.
She's in there. It could move, it could slide your direction a bit.
The whole thing?
Yeah, just a little bit. That's it, I think, yeah.
Good.
Yeah. looks lined up, and it's up against the bearing. Ay, ay, ay.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, I think so.
So then there's a nut and a couple washers on it.
Well, that clock is an hour fast. It's only 11:20, but it is 1 degree. Super foggy out. Good news, got that part back in. You just have to add some chains now, put the belt back on. I'm not going to be here tomorrow because I have a wedding. Maybe the guys will have it back together next time I see them. Until then, it's been a slice.